Debt financing a property purchase, what would the charges be involved with something like that?
So, how long have you got? How long is a piece of string? The answer really is, with bridging, there isn't a set answer.
Okay.
I think the first thing we need to, and this is not trying to be evasive,
No.
you need to, number one, understand what's the problem. Let's assume it is a bridging loan. It would be fair to say, if we take some simple concepts, number one, you'd normally get a net advance of about 60% depending on the term of the loan. Yeah, so it's a 70% loan to value. If you're buying a place for 100, the loan is 70%, but actually you'd receive 60%. The term might be, you certainly wouldn't want to take a bridging loan for too short a term. And the reason I would say that is, if it's too short a term and you have to extend it, you may go into penalty rates. I have seen some very low rates. So the example I gave you earlier, low loan to value, 0.5, 0.6 a month. That's for regulated. That's probably the lowest we've ever seen. Typical bridging rates are probably about 1% per month. So that's what I would always work on as my starting rate. The lender will normally charge a lender arrangement fee, probably 2% or thereabouts. There will most likely be a broker fee. With development finance, there might be an exit fee, but there shouldn't be on a bridge. And you'll have the valuation fees to pay, obviously, because the property has to be valued. And you'll have the lender legals and your own legals. So they're roughly, that's what we're wrapping into those costs. Hence why we need to be really clear that the bridge is right. But we're working on around sort of 1% or thereabouts. We have funded projects ourselves where we've not brokered, and we've lent maybe 100% of the buy price and 100% of the build. Those rates are not 1%. That would be by mutual agreement where we understand the risk, what's the reward, and that's really taking advantage of leverage, understanding that I have a client who does 24, 25 projects at any one go. So he's prepared to pay a higher rate for access to more funds.
That makes sense.
Okay.
Thank you.